When it comes to writing copy for your business, it's common to sit down and brainstorm dozens of ideas that somehow don't click. Annoying, isn't it? There must be a better way. You know what I think? I feel like if you want to craft a piece of persuasive copy that drives conversion to your landing page, there is absolutely no shame to sit down and take inspiration from the copywriting examples around. Well, the good news is this video is all about that, where I'm going to take some examples of the biggest brands in the industry, look at their homepage and try to analyze and decode the copy and see how exactly is this copy bringing them tons of business. Okay, and also if you stay with me till the end, I'm going to give you not one but 3 bonus tips that will help you to write a killer copy. The first one is Slack. You might be knowing about this business platform. For those of you who don't know what is Slack, Slack is a business platform that connects people and brings them together to work as one unified team. Look at the image here.
Okay.
This is the homepage of the Slack. You have the headline and the main copy towards your right hand side. So Slack's homepage headline says, imagine what you will accomplish together. Now this headline makes visitors think of their business goal and the importance of getting their team working together effectively. Smart move, isn't it?
Yes, definitely.
Towards your right hand side, you have the main copy, which is straight up to the point, guys. Just look at those 4 lines. I'm gonna read it for you. It basically says Slack is a collaboration hub for work. No matter what work you do, it's a place where conversations happen, decisions are made, and information is always at your fingertips. With Slack, your team is better connected. You know, this 4 lines have basically covered 3 major points if you notice properly. 1, what is the Slack all about? What happens in Slack? What are the benefits of the Slack? Okay, so when I say what is Slack about, the first line covers where it says a collaboration hub. So when I say what happens in Slack, it basically covers like your team members can communicate, make decisions, and you are always in control. And the benefits, it says it's a better connected team. So with these 4 lines, I basically covered the conclusion. As I always say, the copy should be clear, easy, and concise. This copy is the best example for that, guys. Always remember, clarity is the king. Your audience should understand what exactly is your product all about, what exactly is your service all about. There should be no confusion after reading the copy. And this is the best copy, guys, because, you know, this basically removes any head scratching moments the audience might have, you know, basically covering what Slack does and how does it help people. This is the perfect copy for that. I love this copy. The second one is Ahrefs. We all know that this is one of the premier SEO tools for keyword research and link building. Let's quickly look at the homepage of Ahrefs. So look at this image, guys. This is again the homepage of the Ahrefs. Now, as you can see, look at the call to action. That is the orange color button, which says start your 7 days trial in $7. Okay, and trust me, they are selling the trial. Selling a paid trial is not at all easy, because for that you need to have a killer copywriting sales, copy. And Ahrefs took a bold move to charge this $7 for 7 days trial. And for that to work, their sales copy should be on point, and they have done total justice here. As I said, you need to have a killer copywriting to pull it off. And Ahrefs did that smartly, actually. So how did they do is what should be a question. So first thing, they figured out who exactly is their audiences, the online businesses, bloggers, and online marketers, and also understanding their pain points. What exactly are pain points are? Growing the search traffic, analyzing the competitors and monitoring the niches, right? So here, Ahrefs did that smartly by highlighting these 3 things that matter the most to the online businesses, bloggers, and online marketers. That is the search traffic, analyzing competitors, and monitoring your niche. So by putting these 3 things in front of the audience, they immediately highlighted the wants of their target audience. Look at the smart move, guys. They knew who exactly is the audience and their pain points, their wants, and they highlighted that. And also remember, when you're selling a paid trial, of course it's not easy, but when you put some pain points in front of them, it's also very important to show some social proof. And look at the copy, they have also done that. They have also delivered in their copy. Okay, they have also showcased some big brands name towards the bottom thing, who are using their services, social proof. And also at your right hand side, you can see this number, that is 2,119 users joined. They have also thrown in their users who have joined in the last 7 days. And this is basically helping them to add a ton of credibility to their software. Just understand properly, there was nothing in this copy. Very simple and clear copy, but they are actually trail. For that, what actually you need to keep in mind, the copy should be to the point, killer copywriting, social proof, building some credibility about that software or your product or services. That is very important. The same thing as I always say, the copy should be clear, easy to read. They have basically spoken about the pain points and shown some credibility. That is what will entice your audience, that is what will attract your audience. Remember that. This is also best example for that. And the third one is MailChimp. Now MailChimp is one of those platforms which has nothing to prove to the competition, but like we have seen a lot of copies which were clear, easy, highlighting benefits, features, etc. But trust me, there is something unique here in this example. For that, get the image here. Instead of the usual sales copy where you highlight specific benefits and features, guys, MailChimp took the approach of creative and big picture copy that seeks to inspire their customers to think bigger. Let you know, read this message here. It basically says your business was born for this. Become the brand you want to be with smarter marketing built for big things. This phrase allows MailChimp to differentiate themselves from the competition. Just read it once more, you'll get it. While there are other email software platforms as well, and they basically help in increasing conversions, send better emails, and even grow their business. But MailChimp goes beyond that. MailChimp, go back and listen to this video once again, or else read this, you'll come to know. They help to build brands, but by blending some creativity that is very, very, creative. Seriously. Because one thing that I have noticed here is yes, it's important to keep your copy clear, concise, easy to read, include some social proof. But again, if there is too much of competition out there, if you're actually competing with the other platforms head to head, toe to toe, but again, keep this in mind, how are you different from others? And here MailChimp has actually done that. They blended it with some creativity and placed themselves they have positioned themselves differently into this market. That's very nice. So that's all I have for today, guys. These were some real-time killer copywriting examples out there that I had bought for you guys. I hope you found it useful and also got some real-time understanding of the copy out there. But रुको, थोड़ा सबर करो, अभी picture बाकी है. These are my bonus tips to you. The first one is understand your target market, but do not forget your competition. Also do consider your competition and remember that as well. Because if you are fighting against an established brand out there which are using some hard facts, then try to take another angle and look at your business from that point of view and understand how should you appeal to people's emotion instead. Okay, for example, if you are selling product or services with a high price point, then inject your copy with a lots of social proof to increase your brand's credibility. The second one is inject personality into your copy. Let the reader form a connection. Now here, remember, you need to create a lasting impression with your reader by injecting your brand's quirks into the copy. In fact, one of the best ways to allow the reader to connect and identify your brand is through telling stories. Stories that inspire them, stories that connects with their situation. Just take them on a journey with you through your copy. Third one is allow your reader to visualize and experience the desired result. Sure, I do agree that spelling out the benefits and features of your product is really good. But why stop there? Let your audience visualize what it actually means to enjoy the benefits of the product. For example, let's say if you are selling a software that increases productivity, let your audience visualize, that they are running a business smoothly with happy employees, enjoying the freedom away from this daily grind. Help them visualize this result, guys. Understand your brand properly and come up with some benefits and features of your product or service, and try to understand how can you put out in such a way in the copy that will actually help your audience visualize the desired results. Because trust me, this is one of my favorite tips that I follow. So try using this will help you in great conversions as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. Let me know in the comment section which part of the video or which bonus tip or which example was really your favorite. I would love to hear them. Please yaar, comment karo, like karo, subscribe karo. You should definitely support someone who's starting out. Also, I put a lot of kick-ass content on my Instagram. You should definitely check out here. Towards your left-hand side is my Instagram page. Definitely check it out and follow and hit a follow button. I would love to connect with you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.